Hey everyone, my name is Rahul. So today I'll show you how to set a small framework using REST Assured and TestNG of this particular ecom page. So as you can see, I already logged in this ecom page, and this is the few product listed in the product listing page. Let's open the network section, and if I click this add product, this add to cart. These parameters are all sending through the payload, and it is already added on the order section, as you can see. So what I have performed, I created one frameworks using REST Assured, and in that particular framework what I am performing, I am logging in that particular URL, and then saving the access token and user ID, one variables. You can see the token and user ID. Then I am adding one particular product. So if I go to the page, you can see I have manual automatic by using automation script I have added this particular product. Okay, and also this product. Don't judge the images as because this some demo product. I am manually deleting this product now. Just 1 second. This is a particular product. It's product ID. So I can view the product ID. So this is the product. So I'm manually deleting this product via postman. Sorry. This is a full script on postman. So at first let me log in the postman. So I got the access token. Then I will delete that particular added product. Request authorization section, and then I will delete this particular product. So you can see I have manually deleted this product. Let's go to the page, and then so you can see the product is not here. So what I will do now, I will run one script using REST Assured. So in that particular script what I am performing, that is the main base URL, and this base URL I am logged in using my credentials. Then and I receiving the token. What I am getting this token, without token I not able to perform any CRUD operations in the site. So this particular authorization token, so I am saving this token in the variables. Then I will add the product via script. So as you can see, these are all the from parameter I am sending through the specifications file, all the product and also the product laptop image from my local system. And then after adding the product, I will saving the product ID, and then again then I will add that particular added product on my cart. This is the and place order. So this is the create order section. So create order section what I am performing, and catching this product ID, and performing the order through the this particular endpoint. So as you can see, this is the main URL, base URI, and then this I am creating order. Then after that, after creating order, I will delete that particular order from the order section. All these things I am performing via API automation script using REST assured. So let's start, and at last I am successfully verified the message using assert the product deleted successfully or not. All this flow: login, create product, and delete product, and add product also. Let's see. Run as Java application. Let's go to console. So as you can see, it's taking some time. So is product deleted successfully. So what I have performed, and I logged in the system using my username, password, all the parameters I have sent, and added one product manually from the backend. Then I ordered that particular product. As you can see, this product is created. Now I'm ordering that particular product added successfully, the message I have received from the backend. Then I will delete that particular ordered product ID. This is the product ID. Let's see, I have deleted. So product delete successfully. So this is the full end-to-end one uh, ecom applications automation using REST assured. So thank you.